Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Falcons.AI's NSFW detection model through RapidAPI. We'll go step by step, opening the API page, finding your key, making a quick Python request, and then running it inside a simple drag and drop web page. I'll be using my developer account, so I don't need to subscribe, but if you're trying this for the first time, you'll need to choose a plan on RapidAPI before making requests.
First, search for FalconsAI NSFW on RapidAPI and open the API page. You'll see tabs like Endpoints, Pricing, and Usage. If you're a new user, click Pricing and subscribe to a plan. Even the free tier works for testing. Once you're subscribed, click the App tab. On the right side, RapidAPI shows example code with two important headers, XRapidAPI key and XRapidAPI host. For this API, the host is NSFW Image Detection 6.p, RapidAPI.com. Copy your key and keep it private. Never share it in public code.
Now, let's call the NSFW Detection API directly from Python. Import the libraries we need. Load the RapidAPI key securely from .env. Set the Falcons.AI NSFW detection endpoint. Prepare the image file we want to check. Add the RapidAPI key and host in the request headers. Send the image to the API for analysis. Print the JSON result with the label and confidence score. Now let's run it and see what the API returns. And here's the result. The model detected the image as NSFW with 50% confidence, plus the breakdown of scores for normal and NSFW. I've now created this simple HTML page for the same task. Let's open it, drop an image, and see what happens. It instantly returns the same kind of JSON response with the label, confidence, and score breakdown. This way, the result is displayed right here in the browser, making it quick to test multiple images without running the Python script each time. And that's it. We've seen how to use Falcons.AI's NSFW detection API through RapidAPI, from running it in Python to testing it in the browser. Thanks for watching.